Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to MEDIATEK KT107. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now you have to click on I accept, confirm, continue, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to go with receive on tablet and send on an Android. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo, tap send and click got it. From here we have to wait to connect. You can click on the scanning icon over here, tap on allow and point your device's camera at the code to scan it, or you can enter this key. I will go with key real quick. So now when I typed it, I can click receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure though, you can always go into some kind of app, in my case gallery, and click on send anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!